For today's video, dahil fall break ngayon, walang pasok si John Mark. Ang gagawin namin guys ay mag-general cleaning kami dito sa aming stock room. So, kasi nga itong stock room namin guys ay halos mapupuno na ng mga gamit ni John Mark. So, dahil nandito siya, mas maganda kung tatanungin ko siya kung gusto pa niyang i-keep for remembrance or gusto niyang itapon sa labas. And, ayan guys, tawagin ko si John Mark para tulungan niya ako maglabas ng mga gamit. So, ayan. John Mark! Come here. You want to throw away your stroller?
Give it to somebody.
Give it to somebody? So, itong ano niya guys, kagaya nito this is running stroller, right?
Yeah.
So, itong running stroller niya guys, maganda pa to siya, hindi pa sira. So, sabi niya, gusto niya daw ibigay sa somebody or sabi niya ilalagay sa labas, tapos lalagyan lang ng I'm free, take me. Ganon. So, ito siya, i-dispose na namin kasi nga, laki ng space nito guys sa running stroller. Halos sakop niya na itong stock room namin. And ayun, nag-agree naman siya na itatapon na daw. So, ayan, tapon yan na yan. And how about these kites, John Mark? You want to throw away these kites?
They don't work anymore.
Huh?
They don't work anymore.
I don't know. It works, but I don't know. It's up to you if you want to throw away.
Throw away.
Throw away? Are you sure?
Or give it to somebody.
Give it to somebody?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ito guys, 5 kite. Pwede pa naman siya. Kaya lang yung mga wire niya sa loob, nahalo-halo na kasi. So, tamad na akong mag-separate. At sabi ni John Mark, he wants to give to somebody. Ayan. Are you sure, John Mark?
Yeah.
You want to keep this one? I put it in plastic bag.
Okay.
Okay. And ito siya. 5 kite. Throw away outside. How about your bicycle? You want to throw away your bicycle?
Oh
No!
because it's my own.
Ayaw pa niyang itapon yung bike niya guys kasi nga ginagamit pa daw niya, sabi niya. And how about this computer
Yeah.
keypad? You want to throw away?
Yeah.
Oh, are you sure? So ito guys,
I only asked Papa because it's his.
he don't care. So itong computer pad, maganda pa siya kaso bumili yung papa niya ng bago kaya itatapon na naman kasi wala naman kaming pagbibigyan ng mga friends dito. Ayan, kalat pa yan siya sa bodega. And how about this small stroller? Small stroller. You want to throw it?
Yeah.
This one?
Give it to somebody.
Give it to somebody? So, mayroon pa siyang maliit na stroller, guys. Ito. Tatapon na rin kasi hindi naman na niya magagamit, diba? Maliit na siya. And how about this? How about this? Eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give it to the front office when it's Easter hunting.
Here?
Yeah, give it to the front office so when it's Easter hunting we can give it to them.
Okay.
So they have more eggs to hide.
Oh, so ito guys, mga what is this, John Mark?
Easter eggs.
Easter eggs. Ayan guys, may mga laman pa yung iba. So, gusto niya ipapamigay na rin daw. Ayan. And what else, John Mark? So, our bodega is clean. We have space. Ang dami kasing ano guys, ang daming mga gamit ba na hindi naman nagagamit. So, nakakainit tingnan, diba? Para naman mailagay namin yung ibang mga gamit na pwede pang i-save. So, dito na naman kami sa mga shoes na nalakihan niya. Kailangan na rin namin i-dispose. So, tatry muna natin kung magkakasya pa sa kanya. This one, you want to keep? Hey. Hey, you want to keep this one? John Mark? Yes. Yes?
No!
No? About this one? Try it. Try.
Yeah, it definitely fits, even though I'm 7.
It's fit?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No.
Oh, it
Fits.
hurt.
No.
It's fit?
Yeah.
You want to use? You want to keep?
No.
You want to throw away?
Yeah.
Throw away?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Give me.
It's very hard to. Oh,
This one. Throw away. How about this one? How about this one? Still fit? So ito guys, maganda pa siya. Kaya lang maliit na sa kanya. Be? Be?
Oh no, this does not
Oh,
fit.
yeah, it's not fit. So, hindi na magkasya sa kanya, guys. This one is nice shoes. So, ito siya, guys. Maganda pa siya. Kaya lang hindi na talaga magkasya. Ayan. So, itatapon na rin yan siya. And, how about this one? So guys, maganda din siya. Maganda pa. Pero, try natin kung magkasya. Be? Be. What?
Now this does not fit.
Okay, throw away. So, ito siya guys. Hindi na rin magkasya sa kanya. Throw away. How about this one? Be? Be. Quickly. It's fit?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh. Oh my gosh. So, throw away. How about this one? Still fit? This is Nike shoes. Nike shoes. Still
Mama,
fit?
what would you do if it doesn't fit?
You put outside, right? Yeah. How about this one? You like it?
Then we try.
Okay, try it. Baby.
Try.
Ang laki ng paa ni John Mark kasi guys. Ang lapad. Oh my gosh.
Yep, no, that does not fit.
It's not fit.
Not fit.
So throw away.
Yeah.
Hi, nako. How about this one? This one still fit, right? You can use this in the playground, John Mark. This one. How about your Boy Scout shoes? Yeah. Try it.
Oh no, this definitely fits. Maybe not. Maybe I just need to try to
I
put
know.
on some socks. On.
Yeah. This one is still fit. The one
But I'm
fit.
gonna go get some socks, okay?
And this one is still fit, right?
Oh,
Where's the white one?
I gotta get some socks.
Okay. Ay, ang init. So, ito lahat yung mga nalakihan niya guys this year. Kasi yung last year, inuwi namin sa Pilipinas, pinamigay din namin. Pero ito, medyo luma na din kasi. Yung isa lang ang medyo bago. And, ilalagay namin sa labas. Ayan. Baka kasi may gusto pang kumuha. Ayan, dalawa pala yung medyo bago dyan. Yung blue at saka brown. Pero hindi na talaga magkasya sa kanya. Ayan. Hindi kasi kagaya sa Pilipinas na mayroon tayong pagbibigyan kasi marami tayong kamag-anak. Dito wala kami mga friends na mga baby. So, Hindi rin naman kasi kami mahilig mag-cargo kasi nga ang tagal dumating ng cargo guys. From US to Philippines ay 3 to 4 months. Andin yan lang ang gagastuhan mo, mga pinaglumaan. Wag na lang. Nakakahiya din mamigay ng pinaglumaan, no? Kasi alam nyo naman sa Pilipinas, medyo mapili din sila. Ganun. So yan na guys, ang una naming binaba ay ang stroller, 5 shoes at 5 kite. Ayan, nilagyan niya guys ng I'm free, take me. Be? You see? I'm free, take me. Ayan guys. Ilalagay namin dito sa labas ng dumpster. Hey, where you go? Here.
Guys, I'm big now, so I have to throw away my stuff and give it to somebody.
So yun guys, dahil malaki na si John Mark, itatapon niya na daw yung stroller niya at saka 5 shoes and 5 kite. Ayan. Pero nilagyan niya ng I'm free, take me. Ayan siya. Mamadali siya guys kasi wala siyang tsinelas. So ayan. Dito lang yan namin ilalagay. Kasi nga, may mga kumukuha din dito guys. Ayan. Okay? Yeah, just like that. Ayan guys. Sayang yung stroller. Maganda yan siya pang running. Kaya lang, matanda na si John Mark. So yan lang guys. Kukunin yan ng mga nanay na may mga baby. Hey, hey, hey! So dahil tapos na kami sa mga shoes guys at saka mga gamit niya doon sa bodega, ito na naman mga damit. Itong isang luggage na yan ay nalakihan niya na rin to guys. Ang bilis kasi ni John Mark lumaki. Ay magaganda pa naman yung mga pants. Ayan, okay pa siya. So ang gagawin ko dito guys, kasi nanghihinayang ako na itapon, ilalagay ko na lang sa donation box. Ayan. Para mapakinabangan naman, 'di ba? Nakakapagod din kasi guys pag dadalhin na naman ito sa Pilipinas. Tsaka ayoko mamigay ng pinaglumaan, nahihiya ako. Ayan guys. Ayan lang yung natira na damit niya. Mas maganda na yan, kunti lang. O, diba? Kasi sabi nila guys, pag nagtapon ka daw ng gamit, malas daw. Kaya ayan, ilalagay ko na lang to sa donation box.